Hello and welcome to our third tutorial for the MRC portal. In this tutorial, we will go over how to sign up or register for events, cancel your registration, check in at an event, self-report your hours, and view your hours history. Just a quick reminder, you're going to go to pcmrc.volunteerhub.com and you are going to sign into your account. Sign in as Luna Lovegood today. So just a quick reminder, you have the ability to change your views. You can either see it as a calendar view like we have here, or you can change it to a list view and it will show you what's on for today and in the future. We're going to go ahead and stay on the calendar view. You can choose it by event group. If there's a particular event group that you are interested in and that you are a part of, that you wish to sign up for an event. You can choose it by how many slots are remaining. You can also filter it by the date range, day of week, or the time of day. When you find an event you want to register for, click on the name of the event. It will pop up another screen here for you. You will see that she already has an event she's been registered for, but we're going to go ahead and click on sign up. And what that's going to do is it's going to bring us over to a user review, which means that there is something that she needs to fill out and that it was not completed, or we have recently added to it, so it's going to pop up as a still need to fill out. And in this case, it was her emergency contact. So we go ahead and fill that out, and then we're going to press next. And it's going to tell us that she has a schedule conflict. Now, again, that's because she had the other event already scheduled for her. We're going to have her go ahead and sign up for this anyway. And what that's going to do is it's going to complete her registration. From this event registration completion screen, you can add this to event to your calendar. You can post that you're going to be attending the event on Twitter and on Facebook, and you're also going to see specific notes about what you need to bring or about the event itself. When you click Finish, it will take you back to your calendar view. When you finish registering for this event, you will also be receiving an email that will let you know that your registration has been completed. From this email, you can cancel your registration. You can click here to add a reminder to your calendar, and at the bottom of the email, if there are any waivers that need to be signed for that event, you will see them down there. Within 3 days of the event, you will see an event reminder. Again, you can cancel your registration through the email, or you can just log back into the website and cancel it through there, which we will show you how to do here in this tutorial. After the event, you will actually receive a thank you email. That's what this looks like. You can also complete a survey, or you can go back and look for more events to participate in by clicking on that click here. And if you checked in and checked out at the events, it should also give you a total of hours that you volunteered at the bottom underneath that for more back on track assistant shifts sentence. So there are 3 ways that you can actually check into and out of the event on the day of the event. You can go to the check-in table and you're going to look for a computer kiosk, and that screen is going to look like this. You're going to type in your name, your username, or your phone number. It's going to ask you to verify if that is you, and you're going to just go ahead and click on continue. It's going to ask which event you are participating in today. You click on the event that you are going in and click continue, and it will give you a checked in screen. Just remember that you got to come back to this screen in order to check out and have your hours counted. The second way you can check in is to go and find the on-site coordinator and go to their table. They will have a tablet. You give them your name and they will be able to check you in on their tablet. Just make sure that you look for that on-site coordinator to check back out. And the last thing that you will be able to do, or the third option to record your hours for the day, is to look for a QR code. And that QR code is actually going to look like this, and it is only good for the day of the event. As you see, it says valid for 1 day only. You're going to use that. You're going to pull up your phone. You're going to go to your camera, hold it up to put that QR code into the picture frame. It should pop up a little website address at the bottom or somewhere in the screen. When you touch on that screen, it will take you over to your check-in screen to show you that you have been successfully checked in. You may need to sign in first, but that's what this will look like. When it's time to check out, you just go back to that QR code, repeat the same steps, and you will receive a automatic checked out notification. If you do not use any of these three options to check in and check out on the day of the event, you can actually report your hours in the portal. So you're going to come up here and you're going to do view hours, and that's going to bring you to your page. And it's going to give you a running total of all of the hours that you have worked so far. You're going to click on the button that says Report Hours, and it's going to give you a drop down to choose which one you want to report your hours on. You put in the amount of hours that you reported and submit, and it will say that your hours have been successfully submitted and it's pending approval, which basically means that we are going to go back and make sure that you were scheduled for that event and that you worked those amount of hours, and then we will, here in the office, will approve it. You can also view your hours history. So if you click on View Hours History, you can also actually go back here and view hours history from your View Hours page. And what this will do is it will again still give you the running total of hours. You can choose a particular time frame that you want to know how many hours you worked, say in a month or in the last week. It's also going to show you a total of events that you have done, as well as how many hours you did at that event. You can even print this page out if you need to. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to cancel a registration. So what you're going to do is either go through the emails, or you're going to come back and you're going to click on the event that you're canceling, and it's going to show you your events that you have registered for. You're going to cancel the registration, and it's going to give you a confirm cancellation. And then it asks if you want to continue. When you press next, it's going to cancel you out and bring you right back to your calendar view. And then you will also receive an email letting you know that you have successfully canceled out. It will also let us know, sending us an email, letting us know that you have successfully canceled your registration and that that spot is now open for someone else to fill. So this completes the tutorial for the MRC Volunteer Hub portal. Hopefully these three tutorials have given you a very good walkthrough of how to use the site. If you have any questions about the site, how to register for an event, how to look up your hours, anything that we've shown you, you can contact us by phone. Again, you can find that information here at the top of the screen. Just scroll down inside this box and you'll see our phone number down here. Or you can email us at mrc@tpchd.org, and we will do our best in order to help you figure out what you need to do in the portal. Thank you very much for watching and have a great day.